Best 3D printers for cosplay. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 3D printers for cosplay that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon Combo 3D printer. Still, the main reason why Alex and other cosplayers like her look at the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is due to the filament threads you see at the top of the machine. They allow you to use multiple colors in your print, up to 4 with the base model but more with upgrades. While Alex is very forthright that 3D printed cosplay pieces are quite easy to paint with acrylics, she still values multicolored printing due to time reduction. Plus, if you want sharp edges on your colors but don't have painting skills, this is a great way to do so. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon Combo 3D printer can also use a wider range of materials than most 3D printers due to its advanced nozzle, drive, and cooling mechanics. Moving on at number 4, we have the Flashforge Adventurer 3. Beyond its essentially plug-and-play nature, the Flashforge Adventurer 3 comes with many of the hassles of 3D printing eliminated from its setup. Its build plate is factory calibrated, easing the hassle of leveling, and the build area is already enclosed. Proper nozzle cleanup, which can cause a number of printing errors if neglected, is easy due to the snapping nature of the nozzle connection. If, like Alex, you want to take an excited peek at the emerging product, you won't have to take any special precautions to do so, as the Flashforge Adventurer 3 has a built-in camera specifically for this purpose. Be patient for visual feedback, though, as the internet connection quality is one of the few common complaints about this otherwise super 3D printer for beginners. At number 3, we have the Anycubic Kobra Max. Anycubic's Kobra Max is an easy-to-use 3D printer that can suit beginners, but that scales well for professional cosplayers. The reason is that, as a large 3D printer, it can print out pieces that the most dedicated cosplayers might want. At 17.7 inches in height, it can, for instance, print out a typical scimitar in just 2 pieces. The Kobra Max uses the in-house Levick leveling function to ensure quality prints. This is a 25-point inspection for your 3D printer's bed, which systematically double-checks and calibrates the machine's leveling. There's still a lot of room to demonstrate your skill when using the Kobra Max, though, as the machine is heavy, large, and doesn't come with an enclosure. Be sure to plan around the environment of your home when using this device. At number 2, we have the Flashforge Finder 3. While a lot of 3D printing for cosplay is going to be centered around printing out cool swords, impressive armor, and other large objects, the accessories are just as essential. For brooches, pendants, and other gaming objects, you should consider the Flashforge Finder 3, which utilizes a smaller printing area well. Bonus features included with the Flashforge Finder 3 that make it excellent for cosplay include the easily removable build plate. This way, you can use your full hand to remove small, more delicate printed objects and not worry about knocking your valuable equipment for a loop while doing so. Additionally pleasant is the resume printing function, which allows for mid-printing stops without ruining the finished product. And finally at number 1, we have the Ender 3 Max Neo. If you are looking for a value pick when getting a 3D printer for cosplay, consider the Ender 3 Max Neo. It has a large enough printing area to get decently sized pieces out without breaking the bank and tends to be amongst the best choices when you compare output size to price. The manufacturer also provides alternative models of the Ender 3 that bring that value up even higher. But can you get gorgeous cosplay tier prints out of a budget printer? Alex thinks so, citing this pick for cheapest 3D printer as the most similar in design and functionality to the printer she has used most frequently for home use. It has the room to grow with your hobby and is affordable to use for experimentation. As Alex says of learning moments, don't be afraid of trial and error because it's gonna happen. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.